Hey NailTubers, I am using a foldable stand that we get from Walmart. These nails are practice tips my sister gets from a local beauty supply store. So I chose blue because it's one of my favorite colors and because I'm a guy. And I do a short unboxing to use these Galaxy sticks by Makartt. I'm sure this is a surprise for you. Some of you asked me to do nails, and let me tell you, I was very excited. This makes me feel even more a part of the NailTube family. I hope I do a good job for you. 4 of the nails are going to be solid blue. Then I will do a foil nail and another one with a Galaxy stick. Even though this is a big industry for women, it's not unusual for me to do this. Years ago, I worked at a local beauty supply myself. I helped many lovely ladies with wig and hair products. Although I can't remember brands at this point because it was so long ago, I was very well liked and cherished many memorable customers. One of my most favorite customers was actually a guy. He used to come in during the holiday season and spend real big. It's been so long, I wonder where he shops now. I put glue on and let it dry until it's transparent. Then I rub foil on. This is the nail foil. It's metallic and matches the color really well. It took some getting used to, but I ended up liking it. To me, it's so amazing what the nail industry has been coming up with. I get just as excited as my sister when packages arrive. NailTubers, don't you think this blue is very pretty? I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but it has a shimmer that really makes it stand out. So these are the Galaxy sticks by Makartt. As I mentioned, they are the chrome powders in a pen. My sister loves Makartt packaging. What I like is how the letters on the box are holographic like the pens. My sister had them for over a month now. but I'm really excited to be the one to do the unboxing. So there are 6 pins inside: Polaris, Milky Way, Cosmo, Nebula, Centauri, Theta. A couple of things happened when I used this. I thought it was like a polish. So you will see me trying to polish this on also. Even though we had taken a break and ate lunch and even spent time with the dogs, we didn't realize the polish wasn't completely dry. So it went on smeared. Other than that, I think I did okay. What do you guys think? I am finishing with Wet n Wild Glossy Top Coat. It would really make my day if you leave me a comment and support my sister's channel by subscribing. One more thing, you should click the notification bell. That way you will know every time there is something new, even from me. See you again soon.